are SQM, a global mining company with 54 years of history and present in 110 countries around the world thanks to our commercial agreements. In Chile, our operations are located in the north of the country, where we generate our 5 business lines, which are key to the sustainable development of the planet in terms of health, food, technology, and the clean energies that move the world. One of our 4 sites is the Carmen Lithium Chemical Plant, an operational center located 14 kilometers from Antofagasta, where we produce the lithium hydroxide and carbonates that make up the lithium batteries that are used in different corners of the world to promote electromobility and the use of cleaner energies. Our work is based on our corporate values, which are excellence, safety, integrity, and sustainability. We invite you to get to know our site, but first, you must be aware of some important recommendations to carry out this activity our way, which we call Good Work, Safe Work. We live safety at SQM every day and in every corner of our facilities, both on-site and in the office. To do this, we have 14 basic safety rules, or BSRs. BSR 1. Fundamental aspects. BSR 2. Transport equipment and vehicles. BSR 3. Mining operations. BSR 4. Hazardous materials. BSR 5. High temperature plant processes. BSR 6. Energy blocking system. BSR 7. Protection from moving parts and equipment and machinery. BSR 8. Work at height. BSR 9. Lifting operations. BSR 10. Confined spaces. BSR 11. Working with heat. BSR 12. Red zone. BSR 13. Cross-working. BSR 14. Port operations. Remember that our processes and tasks entail various risks such as falls, entrapment, crushing, being run over, collisions, overturning, UV radiation, contact with hazardous materials, uneven surfaces, projection of particles, electric shocks, blows against structures, overexertion or contact with sharp objects, among other more specific ones that require various control measures, especially chemical substances such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and lithium hydroxide. At all SQM facilities, we have COVID-19 procedures in place. For this, it is necessary that all the people who enter our work have their completed form, have their temperature taken, and constantly use hand sanitizers and masks to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. In addition, you must respect capacity limits and social distancing during your tour. For this reason, it is very important that you pay attention to the conditions in each place, follow your guide's instructions, and have the following personal protection elements, or PPE. Reflective vest, hard hat, gloves, safety glasses, safety shoes, sunblock. It is also very important that during the tour you are always attentive, maintain safe behavior at all times, and respect the signage posted on site, avoiding risk to the extent possible and giving preference to heavily loaded vehicles. Likewise, you must follow some important recommendations in each operating area of the Carmen Lithium Chemical Plant, such as use handrails when going up or downstairs. Always wear a long-sleeve shirt on site. Avoid any type of man-machine. Avoid any type of man-machine interaction. Don't walk or move around while using a mobile phone. In case of driving any vehicle on site, you must have the corresponding permits. Wear a seatbelt and don't answer calls or use a mobile phone. Don't enter red zones. Don't run or panic in the case of seismic shocks. If you are the passenger in a vehicle, ask the driver to stop. Take extra care on irregular surfaces or in any area with the possibility of slipping or sliding. Remain calm in any emergency situation and head to an emergency meeting point, EMP, which are marked in various areas of the site. Do not smoke unless you are in an area specifically designated for that purpose. It is important that you be aware that at SQM, and specifically at the Carmen Lithium Chemical Plant, we are committed to the sustainability of our actions and processes. For this reason, as a company, we are committed to a series of actions in terms of carbon neutrality, waste management, and the reduction in the extraction of brine and the use of water. Similarly, our lithium business vice presidency is involved in 3 important processes regarding this issue, which are the implementation of the Occupational Health and Safety Management System, ISO 45001-2018, in the ISO 14001 Environmental Management Certification, and in the Responsible Mining Assurance Process, IRMA. Commitments that go hand in hand with safety, with our environment, the communities, and the contribution to sustainable industries based on our sustainability plan and our sustainability, ethics, and human rights policy. In this sense, if you need to dispose of waste, you can do so at any of the different clean points that you will find on the route. Also, remember to turn off the lights and equipment that are not in use, and to make a conscious use of water. You now have everything you need to tour and get to know our work. Enjoy the visit, and do not forget to ask our team if you have any doubts or questions.